Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is a full day of eating, starting out with breakfast. Here I just made some mini blueberry pancakes, and I am just adding some syrup and sliced bananas on top of it. Next, I am cutting up some banana to add to the red plate to give to Michael. He is also having a pancake that I'm just going to rip into pieces, as well as sliced banana and some blueberries. I decided Michael needed a little bit more to eat, so I gave him some yogurt melts with his breakfast as well. That's right. Yeah, my name starts with J. Yeah. So for nap snack time, Michael is still breastfeeding, so we do that before his nap, and then Elijah gets some fruit snacks. Window. That is a window. Do you want these as a snack?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yes.
Okay. So now it is time for lunch, and there is a lot going on. But first, I'm just starting out with buttering some bread to make a grilled turkey and cheese for the big little boy. So now that that is ready, I am just starting to divide up the chicken enchilada casserole that I had made to get that warming up, so I can take some of the chicken off of mine to give to the little baby as well. And then in the pan, I just have the grilled cheese getting grilled up, and then it is all ready to open up and smush some avocado onto, and add a few slices of tomato with salt and pepper to add a little bit more taste. Once that is done, I am cutting up a bit more tomato and avocado to give to the baby, and then I'm also taking out some peach slices and strawberries to give to him as well with his lunch. Here I am just adding some of the chicken from the enchiladas like I had mentioned earlier. And then I'm cutting the grilled cheese. And I was trying to decide what all I wanted, and I decided to add some chips to the side because why not? There we go.
I got the table.
Yep.
Not
I was like, what did I do to this guy?
Look at that. Wow. Got avocado, a little bit of tomato, some strawberries, some chicken, and peaches. Is that overwhelming?
Mila's getting it.
Believe it or not, Michael was still hungry after all that, so I just gave him a little apple cinnamon squeeze pouch to end the meal. So moving on to our afternoon snack, Michael did nurse to sleep, so that was his snack. So now that I have some free time, I'm just making cookies to go along with our movie that we're watching this afternoon and giving my little helper a treat as well. Of course, you cannot have cookies without a little milk. So here I'm just pouring us all a cup to have with them. Here I'm just plating them up so I can take them out to the living room for us to snack on. So moving on to dinner, Michael is usually hungry before I start cooking. Seems to be how it always works out. So he's just having some puffs and crunchies as a snack while I start cooking. And then I'm just getting out all the taco toppings so that we are ready once the meat is done. So I do my best to mom multitask, so I'm just feeding Michael in between cooking the meat. And then once it's done, I just start to assemble. So I'm making a burrito for Elijah and making him some chocolate milk as well. And then my husband makes his. And usually I'm always last, so that way I can make my food, clean up, and have at least a little bit less stress of having to clean after dinner. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!